Oh, Chai looks pissed.
Yeah, you probably put her down.
Okay. Chai's here too. Get it. You wanna lick my shoulder? Hello, good morning, y'all. Welcome to the vlog update. Today is Tuesday. I haven't filmed the past few days. I've been really discouraged because we had the industrial-sized fans just blowing our carpet away. Literally, the noise was unbearable. So I thought today I would catch you up to speed on what we did over our weekend. I think in the last vlog you saw me, I wasn't feeling too good. I'm feeling a lot better now. I definitely just had a little cold, never had a fever, was just really, sinusy. But it's nothing a little Tylenol can't solve. So Friday, we laid in bed almost all day and watched all of McMillions. I liked McMillions, y'all. It follows this guy that defrauded McDonald's through their Monopoly game. Man, it's a roller coaster. It's on HBO, so if you have like HBO Go, I highly recommend it. It was really interesting. I liked it a little bit more than The Pharmacist, but Steven said they were pretty even in his mind, so. And then at night, we did make some drinks, some cherry vodka, Sprite Zero, and grenadine, put them in our Disney cruise cups, and then we played Pokemon. I'm not very good at Pokemon, but Steven loves it, and I think I beat him one time, so, I'm not bad at it. And then the last thing we did was play some Smash Brothers with Steven's brother and our friend Joy. We had them on FaceTime as we were playing. I'm horrible at Smash. I only play Kirby, but I do enjoy Smash Brothers. I die a lot. Okay, Saturday was also very boring. I tried to sleep almost all day. I did play some Sims. I watch a lot of Sims content on YouTube. I really like seeing how people build their houses in The Sims. I am not a very good builder. I only have base game Sims. I don't have any expansion packs, but I wanted to build a house. I did not record myself building the house because it would have been horrible. I have no idea what I'm doing. Oh, and Saturday night we watched Knives Out and Ford versus Ferrari. And Knives Out was it didn't live up to my expectations. I think I had really high expectations because everyone was like, oh my God, Knives Out is so good. But I think it was overhyped. It was good, but it was a little predictable. It wasn't as twisty and turny as Gone Girl. Ford versus Ferrari was really good too. I don't know. I didn't love it. It's about cars, which I like cars, but I wasn't really invested. It was really good though. Oh, it's just been dry shampoo chilling in my hair. So Sunday, Steven had to do homework all day. And so I decided that I was gonna do my hair. One of my favorite YouTubers, LEIGHANNSAYS, talked about her 16 times on here. But she posted her big voluminous hair routine. So I was like, what else am I gonna do? Let's follow this. I know I'm supposed to be on my curly hair journey, but now is the time to be playing with my hair, right? I'm sitting around all day watching hair tutorials. I'm gonna try some hair tutorials. I'm sorry, don't hate me. No, you can see all the dry shampoo in my hair. So I didn't follow Leanne's tutorial perfectly, but I'll tell you what I did. So I blow dried my hair upside down until it was 97% dry, because that's what she said to do. But in hindsight, that was probably the wrong thing to do for my hair, because my hair is naturally curly. It's not just gonna blow dry straight. So I did have to go in with my Revlon round brush and blow dry straight my entire head of hair. But blow drying my hair upside down did give it a lot of volume. So once I was finished with my Revlon styler, you want to set it with cold air. So I flipped my head back over and ran my brush through it a few times on the cool air setting. And then I discovered that you can just use the giant industrial fans in your house to dry your hair cold. So because my hair is curly and I have blow dried it pretty much dry before I went in with my Revlon round brush, I had really kinky roots. It's hard to get the brush close to the roots, and they'd already been pretty much dried, like curly kinky. So I did have to go in with my flat iron and flatten those roots out. And then I round brushed my bangs like up, and it gave me these very like swoopy 70s bangs. That was a good look. It didn't really last. See how these have now curled in towards my face, but they looked good for a hot second there. And then Leanne suggests you round brush like the back of your head and the sides for more volume. I didn't really notice a difference in that, and that's probably because I had to round brush my whole head anyway. It really wasn't until I teased my head that I saw that like big Texas like bump. That's what she talks about, like a big bump in the back of her hair, like big Texas hair. And I totally understand what she's talking about. But the teasing did work. I saw a lot of volume after I teased my hair. I mean, obviously. And then Leanne says like her secret trick is to put your hair up in what she calls like the Looney Tunes granny bun. You just give yourself a little like snooky poof on the front of your hair, and then you just put the rest of your hair in like a little loose bun on top of your head. You clip it in with claw clips, and then you just leave it there for however long you want. Now, I left the bun in my hair for, I don't know, a long time because I started editing and then I fell into the editing hole. So when I took it down, I did see a lot of volume. It definitely worked, but I definitely had little kinks in my hair from the clips. So I had to go back in and straighten those. I think that's just a byproduct of my hair though. It's pretty like malleable, so like anything you do to it, it's gonna leave an impression. Like I always get a little kink from putting it up in a ponytail, so it's just how my hair is. So overall, I did like following this tutorial. I think I will do it again in the future, but I'll just round brush my hair, flip it upside down a few times, and then maybe put it in the little loony bun again. And that brings us to Monday, yesterday. Do you hear that? It is the sound of silence. They took the fans away. Our house is dry. Wanna see? Dun, 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 dun. There's no fan here. This is where the dehumidifier was. There's no fan here. There's no fans in the bathroom. Woo! We still have a hole in the wall. But, you know, woo! I'm hype. Steven's making us brunch.
Yeah.
And then literally all day we watched Survivor. We made it all the way through season 22, and then we started season 8. Season 8 is when Boston Rob and his wife Amber like fall in love. If you don't know who Boston Rob is, I didn't either. He's just like everyone's favorite Survivor player. And then I decided it would be fun to try some of our 99 proof party pack of vodkas. Steven tried the pineapple. I'm allergic to pineapple, so he took that one, even though there's probably no like real natural pineapple in it. And I tried the root beer one. Oh.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. Oh, it's so dark.
Take the lid off the thing for me. No, off the trash can.
Wanna try this one?
The irony is that
Cheers.
Oh, God.
Oh, I don't want to do it. I wish you got to try mine. Mine tastes straight up like root beer.
And mine tastes like a pineapple, but like they're strong.
Mine tastes like root beer that's burning my mouth right now, but tasted straight up just like root
I wonder
beer.
if the cinnamon one will taste like Fireball.
Oh, I bet it will. It really tasted like root beer that then like fizzed and, you know, burned in my mouth. And yeah, that's the update, everyone. I don't know what we're gonna do today. We shall see. Okay, so I just spent like the last 30 minutes maybe making my first TikTok. And now I'm gonna wash the sunscreen off of my nose. A package from American Eagle came in the mail. I got this like camo half zip fleece. I thought it was gonna be like really soft. It's not super soft or super warm. I mean, which works for me because we live in Florida. I don't need super warm, but I'm a little disappointed. A little bit.
How we can make the video better?
How? Oh. Okay, do you like my sweatshirt?
Yeah, it's nice.
Alright. Yeah, you don't think I need bigger?
No, definitely not.
Okay, cool.
It already looks nice and like loose.
Cheers. Okay, I changed my mind. I think my outfit is like really cute. I'm wearing a new Amazon bra, new Amazon shorts, and this little like half zip from it's from Aerie. It's not from American Eagle, but you know, actually I feel like an elevated casual look is going on. Oh, and it matches the bow in my hair. This is terrible lighting quality. I'm so sorry. So Steven beat me in Mario Kart and Smash Brothers. So he picked a random flavor from the 99 pack. Okay, I'm not allowed to know. I'm just gonna guess. So bottoms up.
It tastes exactly like what it is. And it is good.
Is it hazelnut?
No. Oh man, that was good. I want a whole bottle of that.
It tastes like coffee creamer. Okay, it's not cinnamon.
Right, correct. Not cinnamon. All right. What do you think it is?
Give me a hint. Vanilla?
No. It's like
Dulce de leche.
no.
Oh man.
Caramel? No, but you're almost there.
Okay, it's not dulce de leche. It's not caramel.
It's a Dum Dum flavor. I used to be really excited when I used to get this.
Oh, a Dum Dum flavor.
Yeah. Every time I got a haircut,
Cream soda?
No.
What is it?
Butterscotch.
Butterscotch. Okay, I was basically there.
I don't think so. Butterscotch tastes very
Butterscotch. It tastes
unique.
like a butter beer in Harry Potter world.
I think
Butterscotch.
Is so good.
I knew it. That was really tasty.
It really was.
I liked that a lot. These have all been tasty.
I know. I can't wait to try the espresso.
Yeah. Blech. Okay, good night vlog. What do we do today?
I don't know. You gotta let your.
Is it Taki?
I don't know. It's brown. There you go.
Ew. Okay, good night vlog. Now we're gonna go to bed and we're gonna watch Survivor Season 8 as we go to bed. Oh, and we had loaded baked potatoes for dinner. No, she's not allowed to be up here. Okay, good night. Do you hate this squirrel? Oh, you're being really good, Earl.
Okay, I'll put her down.
Oh, Chai, you can say goodnight too. Oh, Chai. Goodbye. Oh, Chai looks pissed.
Yeah, I'll put her down.
Okay. Okay, good night. So because my hair is curly and the Revlon and I couldn't get the Revlon. You get Earl of color.